Dear students, today I am going to explain about how null values and dangling tuples are handled in relational database design and alternative relational designs we are going to discuss today. So first we will see what are the problems with null values and dangling tuples. Problems with null values. So when some tuples have null values for attributes, if we are going to use join individual relations in the decomposition, that may lead to incomplete results. Okay, that is a major drawback. So here we have taken the two relations employee and department. Example, the employee relation, the last two employees Berger and Benitz has joined newly. So for them the no department is assigned. So the department number is null. Okay, and then so these employee tuple have the null value. So now what is going to do means this is assigned, and then if you want to retrieve a list of employee name and department name values of all the employees, so what we are going to do, we are want to department name, employee name and department name means we should join these two tables. So when you are going to join these two tables, where is a common attribute department number, using that it will be joined. When you are going to join those two things, we are going to get that first one. Applying natural join operation, we are going to apply, we are going to get this one. That the two employees joined last, no, the data are last. Okay, after decomposition, we are going to join with natural join means if the matter some other attributes are having null values means it is going to lose some tuple values. Okay, so in order to get the tuple values, we can't go for natural join. We should go for directly there is a left outer join. If we will apply left outer join, we are going to get like this. The last three this thing, the D number and then null, then a department name should be null and department manager SSN is null. So we are going to get this, even that all values are null. So the left outer join we are going to apply, we are going to get the data, but some of the columns in that tuple will be null. But if we are going to apply natural join, when the relations involving null values, so we are not going to get the all the datas, some of the datas will be lost. This is the problem we are going to face with the null values. So next is problem with dangling tuples, that is a thing. So suppose we will consider the decomposition of employee into employee 1 and employee 2. So that employee is decomposed into employee 1, employee 2 and employee 1 and 2. So that figure it is there. If you are going to apply natural join, is original relation in employee. In the employee 1 and 2, we are going to apply natural join, we are going to get it. Okay, original relation. Otherwise, instead of that, we are going to apply and instead of employee 3, we use employee 3 instead of employee 2, then we can apply natural join on employee 1 and employee 3, the tuples. So suppose for example, here we can take employee 1 and 2, we are going to join, we are going to get the correct value. So suppose we are going to, because D number is not there here, SSN is common, using that we have mixed, all values will come. Suppose we are going to join employee 1 and employee 3, here the D SSN will be taken over there and the D number. So this is going to lose the employee details Berger and Benitz, because their data are there here SSN, so that it is going, the data will be lost. So we are, that is the thing, if we are going to apply, use employee 3 instead of employee 2 and apply natural join. So apply natural join on employee 1 and employee 3, the tuples for Berger and Benitz will not appear in the result. These tuples are called as dangling tuples in employee. These tuples are called as dangling tuples in employee. Okay. So this is the thing, example we have seen here. And these are the main two problems. One is problem with null values. When we are going to face the problem with null values and dangling tuples, or only when we are joining the relations using the natural join operation. Then alternative relational designs are, the database designer must specify all the relevant functional dependencies among the database attributes. Okay, that is the thing. Then these algorithms are not deterministic in general, not deterministic algorithms, Okay. So then it is always possible to find a decomposition into relation schemas that preserves dependencies and allow each relation schema and the decomposition to be in BCNF instead of 3NF. Okay. So that is the thing, mainly dependency preservation should be preserves the dependencies and as well as it should be in a BCNF. So like that the alternative relational design should be used. Okay. So that is all about the thing how to what are the problems you are facing with nulls and dangling tuples and what are the alternative relational database designs are used. Thank you.